Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I want to show you that how to fix the network error in the NBA 2K mobile. So first method is that you have to just tap and hold on your app and then click on the application details. Now you have to just click on the force stop and then press OK. And after this you have to just click on the storage and the cache and then click on the clear cache first. In some cases you have to just click on the clear storage as well and then press OK. After doing so, your problem may be fixed. If not, then it may be the network connection. You have to just check your internet connection that if it is stable or not. If not, then you have to just change the network connection from the mobile data to the Wi-Fi, and if you are using the Wi-Fi, then you have to just turn it to the mobile data. And you have to just restart the router as well. You have to just turn on the airplane mode for 2 to 3 seconds and then turn it off. Doing so, your problem may be fixed. Moving to the next method is that you have to just open your Play Store or App Store and then search here for your app. Basically, you have to just check for your update. If any update is available, then you have to just update it. If no update is available, then you have to just uninstall your app and try to again install it. After reinstalling your app, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you are still facing the issue, then you have to just visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.